If you're looking into ClockShark for your time management and productivity needs, here are the 12 key things you should know before making a decision. We'll compare it to other software, so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. First up, ClockShark is a time tracking software that caters mainly to businesses with employees working remotely or on site. It's designed to simplify time tracking and scheduling, but compared to other time management software like Toggle or Harvest, it's more focused on the construction and field service industries. The next thing you should know is that ClockShark offers an intuitive mobile app. This is great for businesses that need employees to log hours on the go. The app is simple and effective, but in terms of features, it's not as robust as competitors like Time Doctor, which has advanced tracking options. The third thing you need to consider is its scheduling capabilities. ClockShark allows you to create schedules for your team, and employees can see shifts in real time. This is especially useful for businesses that rely on shift work. However, it's worth noting that other tools like Deputy or When I Work have more extensive scheduling features, including more customization. Now, the fourth thing, ClockShark also provides GPS tracking, so you can see where employees are when they clock in and out. This can help reduce time theft or late clock-ins, but if you need detailed reporting, software like T-Sheets might offer a bit more in-depth tracking data. Fifth, ClockShark integrates with various payroll systems, making it easier to streamline the payroll process. While it supports some of the more popular platforms, it's not as customizable as alternatives like Harvest, which integrates with a wider range of third-party services. The sixth thing to consider is its reporting feature. You can generate reports on work hours, overtime, and job costs. While it's user-friendly, for businesses that need highly detailed reports, you might want to look into software like Clockify or Toggle, which offer more flexibility and customization in their reporting features. Next thing, ClockShark offers a team management dashboard that's easy to navigate, showing work schedules, hours worked, and time off requests. While it's a solid tool for small to medium-sized teams, larger teams might find it lacking in advanced features like workload forecasting, which is something you get with tools like 7shifts. The eighth thing is the user interface. ClockShark has a clean, minimalistic design, which makes it easy for employees to log time quickly. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced functionalities, apps like Timely or Rescue Time might be better suited for more in-depth time tracking and productivity analysis. Now, the ninth thing you should know is that ClockShark allows employees to log time via a kiosk mode. This feature can be great if you run a business where multiple employees need to clock in and out quickly, but it's not as flexible as the biometric or facial recognition options that you might find with more advanced software. The 10th thing is its pricing. ClockShark starts at $9.99 per user per month, which is fairly reasonable for small businesses. However, compared to other tools like Hubstaff, which starts at $7 per user, ClockShark might not be as cost-effective if you have a larger team. The 11th thing to consider is its customer support. ClockShark offers 24/7 support through phone and email. While it's reliable, if you need a more comprehensive knowledge base or live chat support, competitors like Toggle or Time Doctor might provide a more extensive support structure. And finally, the 12th thing to know before buying, ClockShark offers a 14-day free trial, so you can test out the software before committing. This is great for getting a feel of whether it's the right fit, but some competitors offer longer trials or even a freemium version, such as Harvest, which offers a free tier for small teams. In conclusion, ClockShark is a solid option for businesses in industries like construction or field services, especially if you need simple time tracking and scheduling. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced features or better integration options, you may want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.